Everyone knows our world is 3D, width, breadth, and height. But what if I told you there are more dimensions? And scientists think that might be true. Stephen Hawking and other physicists have suggested reality could include many more dimensions. Some theories even talk about 11. Maybe, in the far future, we'll gain the power to go beyond our three-dimensional world. First, let me explain the fourth dimension, time. Before any formal definition, imagine a chair in front of you. Right now, the chair sits in the present. If you move the chair, the old position becomes the past, and the new position becomes the present. That series of positions, past, present, future, is how the chair exists through time. That sequence is the fourth dimension. If you could somehow enter the fourth dimension, you wouldn't experience events as a flowing now. Instead, everything would be visible together. To a 4D being, our world would be like an open book. They could look and see any moment they wanted. For the chair, a 4D observer would see every frame of its history, past, present, and future, all at once. In short, past and future would be co-present. The concept of time would not be the same for them as it is for us. So, what do you think the fourth dimension would feel like? Would you want to see your whole life as a single book, or does that idea unsettle you?